Alright, so some of you are saying you don't have the new one, you have a box like this, and it works pretty much the same way, except you have to go through the middleman, which is this cables to go box. Or middlewoman, whatever you want to think of it as. But here we go. So, if you don't have that, right, you should have a little, let's see, this little blue port here on the back of your computer. So that is where this gray cord is going to go. This gray cord looks like this. You plug this into the back of the computer. Maybe. There we go. Okay. Then the other side goes here into this first one where it says input. Don't put it on the outs, it goes to the input, and then you have two outs. One out is going to go to the monitor. So you know on this one we put the first one to the monitor. Number one went to the monitor. So same exact thing, right? You're just going to take these and you're going to plug them in to the box instead of the two little cables here. So out one, you put the VGA cable that goes to your monitor. All right. Out two is the VGA cable that goes to your document camera. Everything else is exactly the same as you saw in the other video. That's the only difference, is you have a gray cord that comes to this box. It's basically a switcher, and one signal comes out here to the monitor, another signal comes out here to the document camera. By the way, to power that little box, the box has to have power. You're going to see a plug like this. Obviously goes into the wall, this goes into the side of it, and it plugs into the side of the box right here. And then you should be good to go.